Good morning. I'm Barry Ginsberg. I was a professor at the University of Iowa, and I love technology. Electric vehicles have stirred interest because of the beneficial effects on climate change. They can provide carbon emission-free transportation at a per mile fuel cost savings of 70 to 90%. Federal and state rebates have significantly lowered the cost of ownership. In these sessions, we will discuss how electric cars work, what are their advantages and problems, and is one right for you? I became interested in electric cars just before the beginning of the pandemic, and for the past 3.5 years, I have studied them from books, from articles, and from video presentations. About a year ago, I decided to replace my 10-year-old RAV4 with 100,000 miles with an electric car. Because of supply chain problems, it took almost 6 months to purchase one, and I now have had one for about a year. I love driving it. Ford, GM, Toyota, and Mazda have new, more affordable cars this year. You also may be eligible for a tax rebate of up to $10,000. The course will be given online as 5 90-minute sessions. At each, I will try to talk for about 60 minutes and leave an additional 30 minutes for questions. Specifically, the sessions will be: 1, how both conventional electric cars work. What are the differences in driving an electric car? 2, what are the various types of electric cars? There are 4 types of electrified vehicles, from simple hybrids to hydrogen fueled. How do they differ? How do they work? And what are the advantages of each? We will discuss the range of electric vehicles, their batteries, and charging the car. Many electric vehicles can go 250 miles on a charge, and one can go 500 miles. There are now 2 different types of batteries for electric vehicles, and more on the way. How do they differ? There are also 3 different charging methods. How do they differ? 4, what are the amazing new safety and convenience features in the electric cars? Some of these features are also available on newer internal combustion vehicles. How do they work, and why are they important? And 5, what are the economics of electric cars? How much do they cost? What are the subsidies of up to $10,000? And a discussion of the current and newer cars that are affordable. I hope you find this interesting and will join the class on Zoom.